Yeah, yo. Check the strategy, simple and clean. Pine tree in the building, the trading machine. I'm looking at the charts, not for no drama, just for that sweet setup. Call it the inside bar gamma. It's a tight squeeze, a moment of pause, breaking to the upside or the downside without flaws. It's my bread and butter, my daily routine, capturing them moves, living the dream. Daily payouts, that's the motto, that's the creed. Planting these seeds, watching the money tree feed. With Takeprofit trader, got my account on lock. Apex trader, no time to watch the clock. My funded futures account is looking so blessed. Pinning trees on a roll, putting skills to the test. Yeah. See, the market's a jungle full of noise and of fakes, but I'm focused on the signals, for goodness sakes. That inside bar forms a sign of compressed mic. I wait for the breakout, then I'm in with all my might. Small moves, big impact, stacking every single day, cashing out that profit, there's no other way. They talk about the long game, the big wild swing, but I'm here for the consistency that daily payouts bring. Daily payouts, that's the motto, that's the creed. Planting these seeds, watching the money tree feed. With Takeprofit trader, got my account on lock. Apex trader, no time to watch the clock. My funded futures account is looking so blessed. Pinning trees on a roll, putting skills to the test. Yeah. From the start of the session to the end of the line, I'm scaling and I'm swinging, making every penny mine. Don't need 100 points to feel a success, just a few ticks of profit to feel truly blessed. I'm a funded king with a plan so clear, no fear in this game, cause the strategy is here. Yeah, Monetary trader, you know the name. Daily payouts, ain't it a shame that others are struggling, playing their silly games, while I'm on top, fueling the flames. Takeprofit, Apex, my funded, yeah, you heard me right, staying on that grind from the morning till the night, yeah. Daily payouts. Yeah, see, the market's a jungle full of noise and of fakes, but I'm focused on the signals, for goodness sakes. That inside bar forms a sign of compressed mic. I wait for the breakout, then I'm in with all my might. Small moves, big impact, stacking every...
What is up? What's up, what's up? What's up, what's up? Day trader, what is going on? Lay in the house. Renee, Crypto King, TJP. What's up, Joyce? Tony Gold, Moto Trades. What's up? Got some Skittles. No trick-or-treaters, so you know what that means. You know what that means. No one can compete with me, Crypto King. I'm the best to ever do it. I'm the best on these prop streets. No, I'm just kidding. What's up, Triple B? No, you can't. You can't let that candy go to waste. Let's go. Yes, Apex, 70% off, $40 activation fee. Let's go. Did the Harami play out on Friday? So I had a pretty good day Friday. Yep, had a pretty good day. Yeah, kind of a wild day. I pretty much made most of my money in the morning prior to the market opening up. So New York finished green, pretty much everything except one account. I hit daily loss limit on one lucid count. The other account I did all right in. Yeah, one lucid count I kind of dropped the ball a little bit, but besides that, it was a pretty good day. You got some more? I got a whole bag. Big, huge bag. So I got to get rid of it somehow. And not just by eating it. So what do we got going on tonight? We got Takeprofit tournament account. You guys, who's in the tournament? What's up, Smokey? Ethan, what is up? Let's go, Hoover Flag. Gonna Takeprofit? Let's go. Can afford to jump into an T-Pie. Let's go, Triple P. Appreciate that. Let's see here. All right, let's see what we got going on. Market opens up in about 9 minutes. So we're gonna full port or what? We're gonna full port this bad boy. So we get 3 resets, right? With the Takeprofit account, 3 resets, $35 to reset it. Not horrible. So we will be trading minis. Absolutely be trading minis. Cash Ol, what is up? Corey the phone trader in the house. Crypto King, full port, and let's go. So yeah, so Apex, 70% off, $40 activation fee, so that's a pretty good deal. I got 13 of those accounts. We'll see what happens with those. We'll send them. New higher highs by Tuesday. Let's go. Triple B. Eternity's a week long. It's four weeks. It's 4 weeks. But they start eliminating people, the bottom 20% or something like that, I guess, starting week 1. What's up, Cash Hole? Yo, Jim in the house. Kevin. Sovereignty, let's go. Another week? Yeah, let's go. Let's do it. Elimination start week 2. Let's go. Yeah, I don't... It's going to be interesting. So whose team are you guys on? Whose team? I want to hear the teams. Besides Team Pine. What's up, Peter? Team Zaid? Let's go, Zaid. I like that. Team FSP? The best team? Gap up. So yeah, so we have some news that broke over the weekend. We also have Trump announcing something later tonight. But yeah. BDM likely wins it. BDM. Who's BDM? BDM. Oh, Big Daddy Max. Okay. We'll see. Team Myth looks pretty hot. Hey, he did well in that other tournament. Played it right. The poker player in him. He definitely played it correctly. You wish you could do the tournament? Would it be unfair? Yeah. Yeah. So I'm on Team Nutty. Team Nutty. No offense to anyone else. To be honest with you, I just picked one. What's up, Sparta? Gold got down at open. I don't know. I think we're gonna have some gaps, though. I mean, I definitely gonna be some gaps. There was some news over the weekend, Trump tweet stuff. So, and then I imagine he's gonna announce something too later. So we'll see. Tony Lanez, what is up? What is up? So, guys, let me know if my stream gets a little weird or funky. I'm trying out something, so let me know if it, like, lags or does, like, buffering or anything like that, please, tonight. What's up, Sherry? The Pine Nutty? Yeah. Nutty Pine. What's up, JJ? Chris B, I am ready for this week. Yeah. Feeling pretty good, Papa. Who's ready to blow some accounts? This could. My face is covered with a chat? Really? Oh, because of the mobile. Yeah. Yeah, that's gonna happen. I can't really. It's either gonna. I either cover the chart or my face, and I think, right? Market's open. Gap up. And I have no candle on trade of 8. Why? Oh, I know why. I know why. There we go. So a little gap up here, NASDAQ. Let's take a look at gold here. Gold, gap down. You guys called it. You guys called it. Gap up and gap down. Well, there's still news supposedly coming out later, so... Still news coming out later. All right, gold getting a little push up here. So I'm trading the Tradeify account here. I will be trading it very aggressively, so I'm willing to blow this account. Just a heads up, and reset it if I can catch a nice move. Gold loves to kind of fill those gaps here. Come on, gold, push up there. Let's get above that 4,000. What's up, Beanstalk? It's Project X frozen. Uh-oh. Oh, no, not again. It's Mobro in the house. Project X frozen? Oh, no. Don't say it. Oh man, just missed my tick by, missed my stop by a tick. My I can't speak. Sell. There's one. Take that off right there. All right, up 837 on the tournament. Oh no, Project X is frozen. Damn. What's up, Nate? What's up going on, man? One goes this the honor. Yeah, well, I got another week of degeneracy, Nate, which kind of sucks. Trading the cup. So yeah, anyone that's gonna try to trade the cup conservatively and is not gonna win. So yeah, I'm gonna have to trade this bad boy like heavy. So that's a good start. 837 bucks right off the rip. So thank you, Corey Scalper. Yeah, I mean, I tried my best. Tried my best on that tournament. I definitely learned a lot. I'm not happy with the way it ended. I was up $1,500 on day one on the funded account with the Tradeify tournament. I mean the trade day tournament, and I could have just done nothing and won the thing, but I kept trying to trade it, and I ended up getting. I had $6 left in drawdown. That's why I didn't trade it for the last 2 days. It's like I didn't blow it, but you're gonna treat it like an eval. Yeah, that's kind of how I was treating the other tournament. Corey was just trying to. I figured if I could get $9,000 on the 150K, like I was trying to pass the eval, then I probably would have won. Well, it turns out I really didn't need that much to win. But that's okay. Yo, Autumn 9 in the house. Guys, smash that like button. 200 likes, we'll do a giveaway tonight. It's gonna be tough. I got a lot of competition streaming, so, but I'm here. I'm here every night for the market open. Gold's still leaving a little gap here. Nasdaq's got a gap. See if gold actually wants to fill that gap here. Nasdaq loves my entry. I'm actually flat. I'm currently flat. Yeah, I'm flat. Yeah, I took it long on gold right at the open, made 837. So we'll wait, see what's going on. What's going on with Bielanox? I don't know. What's up, Paulo? Thank you, Autumn 9. I appreciate that. I mean, I traded my ass off trying to compete in that thing. I didn't give up. I ended up getting funded stage twice. Ike and I was the only one that managed to do that. You know, I had a bunch of resets, but you know, I mean, it's a tournament. I was just trying to full port every trade. But then realized later on, it's like, well, you can't really do that because you need 30% consistency to pass the account anyway. Well, it was a whole week that I couldn't trade in that tournament. It was a whole week. So I ended up basically, yeah, I mean, I basically failed and passed and got to a funded stage in twice in a week. So it was tough. Ethan. Dynamite, let's go. Geez, football, yeah. You know, I really didn't do much today. Let me, oh, man. Patriots won by 1 point. Let's go. Over the Falcons. Squeaker, though. Pats won by 1 point. All right, gold here, pulling back. Right at that 4,000 support, I'm thinking about taking another long here. It holds that support there on gold. Nasdaq taking off. Yeah, I heard Project X down again. It's not good. Where did I do my phone? There it is. Not good. I remember when some of the other platforms, like, well, even like Takeprofit, to be honest with you, Takeprofit, Rhythmic, it was always the Sunday open, and then it'd have issues. The worst. Oh no, Kato. Only use Project X? I would say My Funded Futures, Beanstalk, Takeprofit, My Funded Futures, core accounts, pretty nice. Alright, got an inside bar here on gold. Yeah, it's a pretty good deal right now, Dynamite. 70% off, $40 activation. What's up, Michael? Let's go. Thank you, Michael. Adam Daz in the house. Beat up. Oh man, Project X frozen again. Yeah, Lucid's a great deal, too. Oh, thank you, Michael. Yeah, I get some Lucid accounts going right now. I love their directs. Thank you, Cranston. I'm gonna win. Pray for me to win. I'm gonna win this tournament. I might take this long here. I'm so tempted off that 4,000 break of this 4,007. Just one contract, maybe fill the rest of the gap here. It's kind of what I'm thinking. We'll see though. Gold doesn't like leaving those open gaps too often. I'm just afraid that it could pull back. I mean, gold's so over leveraged, and when you're trading this tournament right now, I gotta kind of trade it aggressively, but I don't want to get, you know, have it run down into the 39.90s and then wipe me out. But might take the stab there. Let's go, Gorney. Yeah, I took some too. I'm up 837 right now. Yeah, that's all they give for the discounts for the affiliates, Beanstalk. So basically their discounts are built in, and then they give the discount, you know, the 5% discount for the affiliates. Yeah. What's up, Coach Fred? Not gonna turn on trader rate for one account. Yeah. Gonna get more some Lucids. They are on Rhythmic, and my finish just did on the X feed. Oh yeah, sweet. Gonna get some trade days. Yeah, trade days is great. Trade Day is not a new firm. A lot of people think that. What place am I? A lot of what place am I in this tournament? This tournament just started. This is the Tradeify tournament. I have a bunch of project decks. Adam does. Yeah, I don't have any open though right now. I have Lucid project decks. I have Trade Day project decks, and Tradeify project decks. Except this tournament, which is good. Matt Howard thinks it's a new firm. Yeah. Well, he's found new success in his channel. And we're hearing about it. Yeah, Trade Day's been around forever. I started trading with them 2023. All right, we're triggered in long here. Very risky. Very over leveraged. Looking to fill that gap here. I gotta stop just below 4,000. So risking 660. I'm up 837. This is an end of day account, so not too bad. I think it's an end of day account. Is this an end of day account? I believe it is for the tournament. Kind of got triggered in on the long on the inside bar. Tuesday's gonna be crazy. Triple B. Let's check out Forex Factory. Yeah, we got some news. ISM PMI. We got Macklin speaking. Let's see. We got Tuesday, Jolts. Oh, that's Monday. And then Tuesday, we got Jolts. Jolts job reports. Wednesday, non-farm. Thursday. Too much Thursday. Unemployment, but that's tentative. PCE on Friday, that's tentative. It's all kind of tentative, meaning that because of the government shutdown, but Michael, yeah, I know. I got nothing against the guy, but you know, when he's indirectly talking shit to me, it's kind of sucks. I mean, I don't like it. I know it wasn't really directed to me, but let's go. Let's go. Let's fill this gap here. How did I do in the trade day tournament? Finished 5th. Jonathan, yeah, finished 5th. So fish 5th up in the funded stage. Not too bad. I definitely feel like I could go and I definitely would do things differently. Just put it this way. So if they have another tournament, then I definitely feel like I could do things differently and be much better. Do I trade alpha futures? I do not, Trader R. I've never tried them out. Project X. Yeah, okay, yeah. Project X is down, guys. Michael, I know. Yeah, for sure. I know. Oh, what's the ticket mean? So, yeah, enter into the giveaway. Wow, big rejection there. 4,009. The gap's holding so far. The gap's holding. Oh, nice. Core Flex accounts, Ethan says. The Core Flex accounts for My Funded Future still works with code PINE. $59. 59 bucks. Let's go. So if you guys are interested in My Funded Futures core accounts, select the added flex plan and then use code PINE. They're currently $59, no activation fee. Don't know how long that's gonna last, so that could end like tonight, but I have no clue. Oh, that was ugly. That was an ugly rejection here. Everyone banking on gold to get that gap filled. I'm not gonna let myself get stopped out here. This is the tournament account. I can reset this account for 35 bucks. I'm willing to risk it for the biscuit. Let's DCA for the win here. Let's get a good start on this account. Gold kind of rejecting here, but I think we could push up. Please do not follow my trades. This is a tournament account. This is demo money. This means nothing. This is just whoever gets the highest points in this game wins. So please do not follow this. If you are, hopefully you're going against me here on the short. This is looking nice on that short. All right, pretty much back to even on this account off that nice trade here. But let's see if we can push up into that open gap. How's NQ doing? NQ's just kind of grinding higher at the moment. Still left an open gap down here. It's a pretty bullish sign with NQ. Generally, when you get an open gap to the upside lately, it likes to hold it. So right now it's holding that open gap. It's got about a, let's see, let me check. About a 20 point open gap or so. But yeah, pushing up higher at 26,070. Come on, NQ. I mean, gold. All right, back above 4,000 here. I'm liking this candle here. See if we can get up above 4,005. I'm holding it through the drawdown just because it's a demo account basically for the tournament. So it's a Tradeify tournament. Corey Scalper down 50 bucks. Let's go. Currently unrealized up 550, but it's unrealized at the moment. We are full port with 2 contracts with gold. Nice bounce there. What's up, Anya? Gold retest 399.6. Putting in a nice Harami hammer right now. Right back at my entry. Boy, this is so over leveraged. This is so clinchy. 20 bucks a tick, basically. $200 a point. The micros are limited, Crypto King. Huh, yeah. Is Top Step X down? I don't know. I'd love to see this bounce here. Right back into the 410s, 4010s. What's up, Trev? Gangsta cred, yeah, for sure. Yeah, Top Step X down too, yeah. So all the Project X's are down. Might buy the dip, Triple B, let's go. Alright, I like this candle here. I like this that rejection. Now let's go ahead and fill that gap. I held through some drawdown. Let's see if we can hold through some profits. Digital nukes in the house. Yo, Wayne. What's up, Eloy? Gold's pretty good right now, Cameron. Gold's pretty decent. Looking for this little gold spike here. I hope we don't just go sideways. Thank you, Eloy. What to do while Top Step is down, Kato? You go over to, I don't know, another firm, and you use code PINE. Moo, am I in a trade? Yeah, I'm currently long 2 contracts on gold at 4,003.8, and I am currently up $1,091 on this Tradeify tournament. Unrealized. Because you know with gold, that could change real quick. Is gold what I trade most of the time? No, NQ. NQ at night. No, mostly gold though. They're at night. Well, mostly NQ. I kind of like that short on NASDAQ if the VWAP wasn't right there. Alright, gold is kind of like stalling out here. I'm trying to be a little patient. But for this tournament, I think I'm going to trade a lot of gold just because it's so over leveraged. And you need to make big money to win the tournament. So it's not going to be like, you know, make $500 a day type deal. I don't believe. I could be wrong. I could be wrong. SK carried Pine to the dark side? Yeah, that's right. Did you guys see that? Did you guys catch that long? Catch the dip? Damn it, I wanted to buy there at $3.99, $3.996. Damn it. Yo, Investors, what's up? Yeah, Project X is down. Project X is down. Kabooshed! That's right. Kabooshin'. Let's go. Oh, gold just took a kaboosh in there. Big rejection on gold. It's going to fill that open gap when we least expect it. But you figured we gathered some liquidity down here. Tested about a little bit, 50% of that wick. and made a hammer, pushed right back up. So you would think, you know, we push it back up into the 410s, but it's a little iffy. It's kind of slowing down a bit. If you guys want to see my entry, it's right here in the corner. If you want to know what my entry is. Right up here in the positions. Well, it's struggling. Gold is just struggling right now. It's kind of chopping sideways. 4,003. The scalper in me wants to take this off, but right now we're holding. CL's barcoding. No, right here in the top left corner should be fine, right? Yeah, right here in the top left corner. I got rid of the account stuff. I honestly hate looking at it. So yeah, right here in the top left. All right, gold kind of barcoding here. Nasdaq bouncing off that VWAP, pushing back up. We got Trump news at some sort of news at 7:30 Eastern. Is that right? Some sort of announcement? Yeah, 7:30 Eastern, I guess. I am in a buy. I am long gold. Has they ever had that low of activation fee? No, Tony, they haven't. Some big changes coming with Apex, so stay tuned. Can't really talk about it, but yeah, there's some big changes coming. Exciting. A lot of competition amongst the prop space. We have My Funded Futures and Tradeify going to be coming out with daily payouts, I guess. So this is what they posted on Twitter. So yeah, it's good for us as consumers, right? What's up, Wayne? Yep, 40 bucks. 40 bucks, guys. Let's go. Who is moving to daily payouts? My Funded Futures and also Tradeify are hinting around on it on Twitter. Trump announcement could be a nothing burger. It could be, yeah. Or it's already priced in, right? 750 of straight for live caveman, like Blueski. Yeah, I know. No funny for you, Kato. Yeah, that sucks. I don't know what's going on. Everyone go buy it. You can go buy an account with Tradeify. Oh, you can't join the tournament anymore. It's cut off. Never mind. Wow, what a rejection there. On gold. Damn it. Alright, so see if we can still hold that 4,000. Still up 291. How many competition contracts can you use? I think 2. I think I read 2 minis. 10 micros. Took 10 points, felt like a genius. Digital nukes, let's go. So I'm in two GCs right now. Correct initially. Okay, cool. All right, gold trying to push down here. Let's see if we can hold above 4,000. What am I trading right now? This is a Tradeivate, Tradeify competition tournament account. Well, it sucks. Ah. Top Step X is down. But the best, I know, yeah, it's a little unfortunate, though. I do have some Project X accounts through Lucid and Tradeify and Trade Day. Does gold usually do the opposite of NQ? Not necessarily, but lately they've been doing that. That's usually the way it used to work, LeBlur. Like NASDAQ would be pushing up, gold would be pushing down, but lately hasn't done that. All right, I'm trying to hold through some drawdown here. I'm currently down unrealized $400 for total P&L. So I made 800 something realized earlier, so I'm down 1,200 right now in this trade. I'm still looking for that, fill that open gap, but it's not looking good. We are fading. Yeah, for sure, Michael. Yeah. What's up, Lee Watt in the house? What's going on? Smash that like button, guys, if you haven't already. Gold at 39.96. Hopefully it retests and bounces right here. That'd be nice. Bounce it. Hopefully it bounces at 50% of that wick, right? Ouch. What a pullback. All right, now we can bounce. We tested that. We can bounce now. Anyone unable to copy my credentials from Tradeify to Tradeify? Stefan, have you filled out Oh, you mean just copy and pasting? Sometimes you gotta hit Control V. Instead of the right click and then paste, you gotta hit Control V on your keyboard. That might work. That might be what you're talking about, right? Credentials not good. Or Tradeify, huh? Did you sign the Trade of 8 agreement? Paid the fee? That's weird. Alright, gold's still pushing down. Don't you have to sign in before signing it? Ah, it's been so long. Let me see if anyone else is having an issue with it. Not seeing anyone with any issues. As far as Trade of 8 goes, as far as signing in, of course the Discord is just blasted with Top Step X stuff, Project X. All right, this trade is not going well so far. I might have to reset this account already on the full pork. If we break the low, the 90s here, we're toast. You have any issues? Oh, okay. OC Dog Trader. I don't. Yeah. Hey, OC Dog Trainer. Yeah. Okay, Stefan. Yeah, I don't know. I don't know what's going on. Reset the account, go short. Oh, we took out the lows there in gold. It is really pushing down. Just like it never happened. I ended up resetting it. So here we go. Round 2. Someone's up 3,000 or 30. Someone's up $4,000 already. Someone's up 4,000 bucks. All right, swept the low here. Yeah, this is a tournament, Daniel. Yeah, this is a tournament. Whew. 2 gold contracts is wild. So here, I'll show you guys a trick. This is how people are up 4,000 bucks right now. So you can go, I think you can trade multiple. So you can go gold minis, gold micros, right? You can go NASDAQ minis, NASDAQ micros. This is what people are going to do. This is why people are up so much right now. So the leader right now has got up 4,000 bucks. See if he's there by the end of the competition. I know. K-Trades futures. Will you get disqualified though? Because no one ever has in the past got disqualified. Have they made that announcement? Because I agree with you, K-Trades. Tradeify tournament, yeah. Because I'd like to know, like, because BDH tournament, that's how Matt won, basically. It's in the frequency axe rules. Okay, cool. Have to look at that. Appreciate that. Oh, let's see. Okay, great. Yeah. So that is good to know. I'm gonna text that out somewhere. Thank you for that, K-Trades. I'm glad they did that, because that's, because yeah, that's how people, I'm not going to call it cheating, because, like, that's what people do in the tournaments. They do it in Ninja Trader, they did it in the BDH tournament, they did it, like, you know. Do you have to let it only if you're gonna let your account, pretty much the way I understand with most prop firms is that if you're gonna let your account be idle for 5 days or more, then you want to let them know. Sorry, I was on MGC there. That's funny, OC Dog Trader. That is. They didn't. Yeah, that's yeah. They didn't change daily savings times. That's exactly what someone just told me. Yeah. That might have been the case. Legendary liquidity. Did I see a message? Oh no, this is the lowest. This is the lowest PA activation fee that we've ever seen. Legendary liquidity for $40. I mean, that's not very common. So it's not cheating if you have to figure out how to manipulate the rules to win. Exactly, Michael Benny. The platform allows you to do it, right? They have a way to not letting you do it, but yeah, it's been 70% off, 40%, $40 activation fee is the lowest PA fee we've seen. It's only good for 3 days. Supposedly it's working again. Only when you broke, Nate? I know. I happened to get 13 accounts on Friday, Nate. I'm on a rebuild. So I was just like, ah, damn it. Alright, nice inside bar break here. Now let's run that 410s here. This will turn out to be a nice trade if we can do that. Yo, no, it's definitely not displaying how to be the best trader on these tournaments. It's like, I mean, you use your resets, right? You try not to, but if you can catch a nice, like if I catch the bottom right here and it pushes up to 410, you know, I'll be up $3,500. But if we pull back here and drop below here, then I'm gonna be down probably another reset. Once I get down to my last reset, then I'm gonna be like, all right. Yeah, she didn't have to trade at all, Michael. No, Kelly didn't have to trade at all. Yeah, for sure. What's up? Teach me to fish. Let's go. Gold just looking bearish here. Pushing down. But yeah, I get down to my last reset on the cup, then I'll you know, play a little more conservative. Wonder why it's showing. Huh. showing my full name on the leaderboard. I don't want that. My real name. my real full name. Am I gonna bet my funded futures this week? I don't really know. I don't think so, but there might be a chance. Oh, I agree, Michael. Yeah, no, I agree. KA did really well. For sure. All right, trying to catch the bottom here on gold. I like the break of this inside bar to the upside, but it stalled out and then pushed right back down. So currently gold looking bearish. Go figure, right? Got an open gap up here, right around 4,010, 4,011. Yeah, I'm gonna have to see if I can get that fixed. I mean, I guess I don't really care, but no, Nate, it's got my full name. Yeah, I don't know. I don't know why. I mean, did I do that when I filled it out? I can't imagine I did. I'm sending him a ticket right now. Power bottom gold. You can change it on the dashboard. All right, thank you. Thank you. Yeah, let's see here. X is back working. Let's go. They opened up toss up X and it's back. Made 200 bucks. Let's go. Take that money. I mean, it kind of sucks, right? This dollar push probably gonna get gold sell off. Yeah, it feels like it. Feels like it for sure. Looking at short on NQ. Let's look at NQ here. Or in this, yeah, NQ is just kind of grinding higher at the moment. Little inside bar break. We got a open gap down here. So far, gold and Nasdaq both respecting their open gaps. Boy, I really thought we were gonna push up on gold. On this break here, boy, that trapped a lot of traders, including myself. After we put in this bit of a hammer harami type deal, pushed up and just stalled out and just rolled right back over. So kind of trapped me there. Oh, weird. OC dog trainer. It's now 3,400. So if I do 200, I have 3. Oh, let's go. Yeah, that sounds like a good plan, Smokey. Oh, we reset all your accounts. They could. Lucid says they're not. If you made any trades after 6:15, they're not resetting accounts. But they gotta do something, right? It's got to be some sort of accountability. And I think you're right. I think it might have been probably the daylight savings thing. It's Y2K all over again. Y2K all over again. Oh, you're up 10,000? Oh, I missed that. OC Dog Trader, I totally missed that. I'll take it away. Ah, yeah. Unfortunately, yeah. I wouldn't bank on it. So let it sink in for now. Just make it feel good, but yeah, I wouldn't I wouldn't count on it. That'd be sweet. $39.82 daily low on gold, $39.70 support. Or block on the 5-minute major gold support at $39.50. Oh, thank you, Michael. Yeah, we are definitely putting in going sideways right here. I might actually hop out of this trade. We'll see. See what this candle does here. Still holding that inside bar. All right, a little bit of volatility here, top of the hour. Lost trade, no meditation music. Still in it. Still in this trade. We lost the other trade, yeah. Got some volatility picking up here. Woof. We're going to try to hold this to the open gap if we can actually get a push. That'll be a great start to the tournament. That is a strong inside bar. I agree. Yeah, we held that low. Let's go, Michael. Woof. We got some volatility going. Is Trump speaking now? Gold is just wild at the moment. I might just close this trade. Jeez. Yeah. Something's going on. She got a little wild there for a minute. Tokyo Open. Oh, yeah, because of the clocks really don't... Our clocks has changed here for daylight savings time, but... Yeah, 1 hour invasion. Alright, yeah. Yeah, the Grand Cup. This is what I'm trading right now. Yeah, that's why I'm just kind of full port right now. Okay. So this is the Grand Cup Tradeify tournament. We're just kind of full port in gold. Seeing what happens. Feels like we're going to go lower, though. Just big rejection there. Right at 4,000 again. Feels like we take out the low now. Yeah, I'm long for 39.93. No daylight savings in Japan. Yeah, okay, yeah, that makes sense. I was confused. I was like, what's up with the volatility all of a sudden? But it was just whipping around like it was some sort of open, but. But yeah, normally Tokyo's in 1 more hour, so. Exclamation pine in the chat. We'll do a giveaway tonight if we get to 200 likes, but we'll see. If we don't get to 200 likes, that's perfectly fine. We can do one tomorrow, perhaps. A lot of people on tonight. I appreciate you guys hanging out with me. Got 147 people watching. Thank you so much. Appreciate it. NQ long still working. Check out NQ. Yeah, NQ's just kind of grinding right now. Looking good. The old NQ. Gold still finding support down there. 39.88 so far. But very wicky. Just kind of going back and forth. Gold should have dumped. Yeah. Kind of swept it and then pushed right back up. It's still good though. You can still dump. But yeah, just kind of holding that low wicked. Just. Thank you, Chung Lam. Thank you so much for the sub. I appreciate that. I always hang out and make sure I don't win the giveaway. Let's go, Sovereignty. Power bottoming again. Oh, it's a Trump interview on 60 Minutes. Oh, that's interesting. Yeah, that'll move the market probably. $7:30 Eastern time. Not looking good on this trade here. We get another push down on gold, and I might have to reset this Grand Cup account again. The full porting is not working at the moment. Any hidden rules with Take Profit Trader? Yeah, just don't hedge, Hans. Yeah, just don't hedge with them. Yeah, don't leave any orders on after market closes. So don't leave any orders or anything on market closes. That is, they will breach your account and close your account. So don't do that. Besides that, no, nothing really. You can pretty much trade however you want for the most part. I don't believe you can have algos. I don't think you can trade with algos, but I'm not even 100% sure on that. But yeah, the main thing is don't leave orders on or any positions on after 5 o'clock Eastern time, or they will breach your account. You get charged twice for your first account? No. You should no. Definitely shouldn't have been charged twice. Can't. You have $202 charges? You might have 2 accounts, but no, definitely not. I'd make sure you don't have 2 accounts, but no, you shouldn't have been. You only have 1 account? No. Definitely shouldn't have been charged twice. Do they charge per trade? There's commissions. Yeah, there's commissions. When you place a trade, there'll be commissions like $6.20. But no, they don't charge. Caveman, I have reset once. Yes, I have 2 more resets left. Reached out to him about it. Currently have a chat open for a response. No resets. Yeah, they could take a while. Ants for sure. Oh, when they say hedge, meaning going long and short in different accounts. So like, let's just say you have 2 accounts. You go long on one account and short on the other. But if you have 1 account, then you can't really do that. You can, I mean, you don't want to go long on MNQ and then short on NASDAQ either. That's hedging as well. So shorting a micro and then shorting and longing a mini or vice versa. Yeah, I don't want to do that either. Yeah, no problem, Hans. All right, let's see. Moving to stop break even on 393. Let's go, Michael. Too long to dump. It is holding that, but I think it feels like it might just push down through that low. Or at least if this was NASDAQ, it certainly feels like we are. But yeah, just putting in a weird bottom at the moment. I'm not seeing where to change that on the dashboard. Let me see. As far as my name goes. Grant Michael, what is up? Exclamation point Pine in the chat. Top right in settings, okay. Top right in settings. Oh, we got stopped out again. Gold is just tanking. Still not seeing that. All right. Now we got to settle down. We have one more reset. Gold, push it down. I should have done what you guys said earlier. I should have just reversed my position. Full ported. Gold just, I mean, NASDAQ just slow grinding up higher. And then, let's see. But yeah, I'm not, let's see, broker credentials. Sean D's, change name on comp. Wow, gold's really pushed it down here. Got one more reset on the comp, the trade day cup. Nice, 20 points on gold. That's great. Gold trying to bounce here, 39.73. I'm sure whether you're long. Yeah, I was long off that inside bar for a while. I should have took profit, but no bueno. I was still looking for that gap fill. Do you have a deer lottery? Not really, Nate. It's just a you pretty much just pay for the permits now because there's so many deer. It used to be a deer lottery, but yeah, it's just they basically just want your money, like the resets. They just want your money and you pay for the dough tags. Gold still pushing down here. See if we get a bounce back up. Is there a minimum you have to make? Are you on the eval, Hans? Are you on an eval? Evaluation? I'm assuming you are. So it's 50%, but there's no minimum. So 50% consistency on the eval, so you can't. So 500. If you're on a $50,000 account, it's $1,500 a day. Yeah, $1,500 a day. Bust the Chinese grows? They've been doing that too, CT Clutch. They definitely been busting those grow houses for sure. All right, gold still pushing down here. What's NASDAQ doing? NASDAQ grinding higher. Thank you, Julian, for the sub. The gold NASDAQ in reverse season? It could be. Rocky Mountain in the house. What is up? What's going on? Good to see you guys. Smash that like button if you haven't already. 200 likes, we'll do a giveaway. 200 likes, we'll do a giveaway. 110 is your first exit. Yeah. It is that. It's that slow grind for sure. It's just holding that. It's gonna be an interesting open, Tokyo, and then with the Trump 60-minute interview. That should be interesting. Am I trading in the Tradeify competition? Yeah, that's what I got pulled up right now. Yep. This is the Tradeify Cup. I gotta be honest, I still don't see where I can change my name though. So I go to Grand Cup, I'm looking at the dashboard. Where's the settings? I don't see settings. And I don't want to show you guys because it's probably like right in front of my face. Top right corner, I'm looking. I see Open Tradeivate and I see View Trading Credentials. And that's it. Oh, thank you guys. Be available tomorrow. Yeah, cause it's got my full name up there. Like, I mean, not that. I mean, most of you guys see my full name anyway, but still. Bulls are limping on gold. Yeah, no, gold is very bearish. Nasdaq very bullish at the moment. It's the Gearbox logo. Yeah. Yeah, I see that, but I don't. It doesn't have a place on my thing right now. So. Did you know that you're somebody? I know. Yeah, I'm pretty sure I didn't do that when I signed up, but I might have. Might not have paid attention. The gold weekly chart. Yeah, even the daily. Kind of. Oh, look at that Harami there. Kind of wish I would have seen that. Got 470 on yellow eval. Let's go. You can trade 2 minis on gold, 2 minis on Nasdaq at the same time for the Tradeify Cup. Yeah, Patrick, but you supposedly. Well, all right. I'll show you the rules. So here's the rules, guys. So position sizing limits are per account, not per asset. If you are found abusing this, your account will be failed at the end of the market session. So don't do that. So it's against the rules. I knew that was going to be a thing. I mentioned it earlier, so I wanted to make. Yeah, that's right. So 2 minis, 10 micros per account. So not per asset. So you can't go full porting like ES and then NQ at the same time. No bueno. So some of those leaders that you might see on the board could be doing that. So don't let that scare you. This happens in every tournament, with especially with Tradeivate, because it's a glitch, right? A lot of you guys probably figured that out with the. To the person that was asking about Takeprofit Trader, so yeah, 50% consistency too on the eval. I wanted to mention that. How do you short a position on Tradeivate? You just hit sell market, sell ask. Julian Anders, yeah. Like the actual drawing? I'm not sure. Trying to grand so far. That's all right, Chris. You get some resets too. So. Let's go, Chris. Yeah, I like that. So you start at 0 after you pass hints. Yeah. Yeah, so you got to make $3,000 total. You have to stay under 50% consistency, and you have to trade it for 5 days. So you can't make more than 50% consistency. So on a 50K account, that's $1,500. You can do that on day 1. You can do that on day 2. And then you can flip for 3 days. So they just going in and out of contract. But yeah, I mean, you just got to stay under 50% consistency. So that means that at the end of the day, your largest total can't be more than $1,500. Or if it's more than $1,500, then you're gonna have to make more money than $3,000 to stay under 50% consistency, if that makes sense. How am I doing in the contest? Not great. I was up $900, like 870 something, right off the rip to start, and then I ended up blowing that account, and then I went in and reset another one, and then blew that account, and now I'm in another account, and I have one more reset left, so we'll see what we can do with it. You see that already, Jack? You got more? You're all done your resets too, or you just? Were you long gold with me? Because the gold longs did not pay for sure. Just done and focused on the other accounts. Yeah, I don't blame you. These tournaments, it's just like full port. That's, you know, it's kind of what you got to do, unfortunately, to win it. NQ setting up for a short, you think? Woo! It's pulling down. Check out. See if it breaks that trend line, breaks that structure, it could be interesting. Do you have to be at 3K at the end of the 5 days? No, you can take as long as you want. You will get rebuild at the end of the month, but you can take as long as you want, Hans. Yeah, there's no rush, really. I mean, you'll get rebuild your $102 or whatever it was at the end of the billing, at the end of the month. But you can just keep trading that account until you pass. Yeah. No, it doesn't have to be in 5 days. No prop firm really has, like, if it says pass in 1 day, or you can pass in 2 days or 5 days or 8 days or 10 days, like, you don't have to pass it in that amount of time. Usually it's just, that's the minimum time you can do it and pass, basically. Basically, with Take Profit traders, you can pass in 5 days if you choose, and then get paid out on, or get a payout on day 6, because you can get day 1 payout. Guys, currently right now, my funded futures, I've been told that my affiliate code still is working for, what was it, like 52, 58 bucks for a core account with the Flex add-on. So that sale, I've been told it's still working. So if you want to pick up a core account for on the cheap, no activation fee, pretty good deal in my funded futures. Just use code PINE. That's what I've heard. So Trump news about to drop. That is true. Trump news about to drop. NASDAQ looking like it's just trying to poke up above there. Kind of got a, not really an equal high, but relative equal high, I guess. Up there at 26.18. So you can get one payout and then every 5 days after. Oh, once you're funded, Hans, you can get paid out every single day. Yeah, you can actually get paid out daily. Takeprofit Trader, as long as you're over 2,000 bucks. So on a Takeprofit Trader account, 50K account, if you get over the buffer of $2,000, you can take a daily payout. So I'll show you mine. I'll show you my funded account right here. So here's my funded account right here. So up in the top right corner, this is a pro account. Anything over 2,000 bucks, you can take a payout. So I have a payout of $886 coming to me. So yeah, it's pretty sweet. So like when they take this money out, and then let's just say I make another 200 bucks, then I will draw 200 bucks. And it's an 80-20 split, but you can just do that every single day. So after that, you're funded, yeah, and then you're gonna make 2,000 bucks, and anything over 2,000, you can take a daily payout every single day. Yeah, no problem, Hans. No, I get it. Yeah, I mean, it's when you're starting out, it's with new props, it's tough. So yeah. What's the gold symbol on Quant Hour? Does anyone know? I mean, I got GCZ5 right now in gold, but nice inside bar on gold here. Does Trade Day do daily payouts? Yes, they do. I hope I win. Trade Day is the same way, basically, as Takeprofit Trader, except that there's a minimum of $250 payout on a daily basis with Trade Day, and the evals, you have to trade them for a minimum of 5 days, and then it's a minimum of 5 days and stay under 30% consistency. When do the contracts change? I do not know. I am not that experienced trading gold. Probably pretty evident. But yeah, I'm not sure when the contracts change. I'm kind of new to gold. This is a whole new ball game just because of the way it's been moving. What's up, Wes? Thank you so much for the memberships. Let's go. Thank you so much, Wes, for the 5 gifted memberships. Give it up for Wes. You guys know Wes. He streams after me. He's the man. Really good dude. Not a furu. Like so many of other people that stream. Let's go. Thank you so much, Wes. I appreciate that. We are streaming. Did the Lions win today, Wes? Oh no, the Lions lost. Patriots won by 1 point today. It was a close game. Looks like the Vikings and the Lions, 27-24. Close one. Exclamation point Pine in the chat. We'll do a giveaway for 150K Take Profit Trader account. Smash the like button. Let's get 200 likes. We got 187 people in the giveaway, so I hope we have at least 187 likes. Appreciate that, Wes. That's awesome. You the man. Pine Tiger West and repeat. Let's go, Nate. I love it. Dancing avocado gets you every time. I've had that dancing avocado ever since I first started streaming, and I don't ever plan on giving it up. I don't ever plan on giving it up. 11:26 rollover. All right, thank you, Mo. Appreciate that. The core ones, yeah. So the core, the My Fund Future core is a really good account right now, especially for a beginner type trader. I think they're great. Yep. 5 days of $100 or more. If you add the free flex add-on, you can withdraw up to 50% of your account or your profit, right? Which is pretty sweet. So a lot like Top Step, except that you only need 5 days of $100 or more, not 5 days of $150. So that's pretty sweet. So that's with My Funded Futures. And I've been told the sale is still going on. So a sale over the weekend. Hopefully it's still going. Mr. Smith in the house. What is up? We're gonna do some moose races soon. We'll roll around Thanksgiving. Yeah. Gold trying to bounce here. We still got an open gap sitting up there. 410, 411. How many micros can you buy on the test? What is max? I think 60. I think 60 on Take Profit Trader. I think, Hans. GC Harami's on the 15-minute. Yeah, it's... Let's look at we're pushing up here. Let's check out the 15 real quick. Oh, yeah, nice 15 Harami here. Maybe this will be the catalyst that we actually push up through to the highs here. NASDAQ still holding that trend line up. Just kind of holding there. Anyone saw the Grand Egyptian Museum today? No. Yesterday. Oh, it's pretty cool. 20-year build. Holy cow. That looks pretty cool. I'd love to go visit that. Was it they had a drone show? Has anyone ever seen those drone shows in person? They're pretty awesome. I've seen one. All right, what's gold up to? Gold trying to push higher. Trying to push higher. You were there, Trader MJ? You're from Egypt? Let's go. That sounds awesome. What a cool place. I'd love to visit someday. Trying to act responsibly, Coach Fred says. Yeah. I'm still in this gold trade. I've been in it for probably 20 minutes, 30 minutes now. It's finally going my way, which is nice. Nice Harami on the 15-minute. Maybe we actually get to push up. You belong 6 minis. Let's go. Brady Bruss. Holy cow. That's a little scary for sure. Just trading 2 minis, I managed to blow 2 resets on this trade day cup. Now we're kind of catching along here, which is nice. I'm going to take one off here. Stop's going to break even. Kind of filled that gap. So I took one off on that push up. Cody, I'm already at 2 resets. Yeah. Full port on cold. Thanks, Fred. There's no, I don't think there's a reset counter next to my name. There's no scarlet letter next to my name on this one though. Let's hope. Yeah, the breakdown. Yeah, for sure. I hate to get wicked out here and then just keeps pushing up. Gold loves to come back and fill these little gaps. I'd hate to hate for that to happen, but it's okay. If it does, we could just re-enter at a later time. Thanks, Cody. No, I'm gonna try. I mean, I'm gonna try hard until my last reset, and then I'll play it a little conservative. I'll try to. Looks like we're gonna get stopped out on the runner. All right, up 450 on that trade. It is what it is. Probably come back, at least test the 380s, and then the 980s, and then it could pop up there. But what gaps? Up here there's an open gap. Right up here from the open. Also, that is 4,012-ish to like 4,009 and 20 cents. NASDAQ, there's an open gap from 6,012.75 to about 5,994. So like 20 points on NASDAQ. Put in a little harami here, rejecting after filling that gap on that 5 minute pretty much, and then pulling back. NQ is not afraid to leave those open gaps. No, it's not. We still have the new week opening gap open from last Sunday. If you look at the daily, it's right down here. Still wide open. Very interesting. On this day here, I think it was last Thursday, I thought for sure, like the way it was pushing down, I was like, oh man, we're gonna fill that open gap. I mean, I don't know how many people thought that, but I was thinking it, and we didn't. It bounced and then pushed right back up. Apple and Amazon saved the day today? Yeah. Risky full put short on the MFU eval. Let's go, Fred. On the harami. Let's see. What was I watching the other day? I was watching tick chart. I thought of Fred. I think of Fred often, but I was watching this 100 tick chart, and it was during the Tokyo Open, and it was leaving gaps, like little gaps. I was like thinking, like, if you could be quick enough, you could probably go for those little gap fills, little scalps. But thank you. Right now it's so, I don't think we're gonna get anything until either Trump speaks or that we get that Tokyo Open, and then it just might move, but I don't know. Right now we're just grinding higher. It's really tough to take a long or a short unless you're already in. The smoked on that gold. Let's see. Yeah, popped. Faded your usual trade, yeah. That's alright. I mean, I don't know what's gonna happen here. I kind of like the long, but I definitely got burned trying to having that bias that we're gonna fill this little open gap on gold, but anyone's having data delay on NinjaTrader 8? Once you get to 5,000, you can trade 5 minis. Let's go. $100 a point on NQ. That's what I want. It's easy math. $100 a point's easy math. Bit of a bear flag looking for a... Yeah, it kind of is, isn't it? So if you're going for 1-to-1s, which I probably wish I would have. Wish I should have. So if you're going for 1-for-1s, you would have got one there, and then you would have got another one here. You would have lost on this one. This was a nasty one. Would have lost on that one. That one trapped me. I thought for sure we'd push up into that gap, but the market makers came after me. So yeah, so right now the inside bar is working pretty decent. Currently up 450 on this Trade Day Cup account. Screwed on that one as well, TJB. I know. You just gotta think opposite. Data delay for gold on Ninja. Sometimes you have to go to Ninja website and hit a permission button. Oh, thank you, Yo Jim. Seems like if you win, you make the top 200 and get the live account. Yeah, so you can keep, what, 80% of what you make in the live account, too. So that's pretty sweet. On the tournament. No problem, Gabriel. When people slow down so they can lose, because they can. Yeah, it's possible. Yeah, I don't know. Where's the leaderboard right now? Where are we at? We are currently. Woo! Someone's up $6,800. But, like I said, guys, they could be cheating in a way. So we'll see. We'll see. Let's go. Thank you guys for the thank you, Pro Trader. Thank you guys so much for the likes. I really didn't think we were gonna get there tonight. A lot of other people on tonight on Sunday nights, which sometimes is the case. But you guys know that I'm here every single night. Streamlab not letting you into the giveaway. I can check. Maybe. A lot of times it's you're in there, it just doesn't pop up. We'll do that giveaway here in just a minute. You're in. Yeah, you're in. Alright, so we're going to do the giveaway here. Thank you so much for using my code MyFundedFutures, guys. Good to see a few sales. That's nice. Appreciate that. Let's see. We're going to do a moose race. Let's do it. All right. Exclamation point pine in the chat. I'll give you guys one more minute to get it in. Bomos, that's right. Send you a letter. I'll personally deliver it. The letter in the mail, yes. I'll personally deliver it. I used to be a mail carrier, so I was a mail carrier for 15 years. Moose race. Smash that like button. Oh, there goes gold. There's a trade, Fred. It's frustrating. Harami's still holding, but like unless you're trading micros, you can't hold that many points. All right. Futuristic Life, what is up? Thank you so much for the sub. I think I missed another sub too. Say what's up to them real quick. Winsalade, thank you so much for the sub. All right. Expecting me to be a lumberjack? I did do some wood cutting. Not a lumberjack, but I did some wood cutting in the past for sure. Can you get more than one ticket? No, it's just one ticket. Tradified leaderboard isn't accurate. I know, because I was looking for you to be number 1, Terry, and it wasn't there, so I knew it wasn't correct. I just knew it. I said Terry is probably up in the top 5 at least, right? All right, I am going to close the entries, guys. Closing entries, and then we're going to run the moose race. After I put my moose race hat on. I want to thank Wesley for the donation for the 5 gifted memberships. Pretty awesome. 269 people in the moose race tonight. Let's go. Moose race time, guys. Let's go. Alright, so you must be present in the win. This is for 150K Take Profit Trader account. You don't even have to pay the activation fee if you pass the account, which is nice. That's something they changed. And you must, you can't be banned from Take Profit Trader or anything like that. It must be present in the win. All that good stuff. Let's do it. Good luck, everyone. Here we go. Digital nukes to the outside. Get a lot of Mises running. Let's go, guys. Come on. 22 seconds left. Who's it gonna be? Seven seconds. It is a tight race. Who's gonna take it? Someone's pulling out to the lead. Oh, who's this? Can't even see their name. Can't even see their name. Dark Side 184. Congratulations, Coach Fred. Right up to the top there, 6th place. Dark Side 184. Are you present? Give you 30 seconds. Let's go, Darkside. Darkside's here. Congratulations, Darkside. How does it work? It's all random, Julian. It's all random. It's a random race thing that I pay for. So I basically take all the names that entered the giveaway and then it puts it in and then we do a race and it's all random. Congratulations, Darkside 184. No. It's just fun. People type in 1. It actually helps out my channel when you guys type in 1, so which is pretty cool. The fastest moose wins the straight. The moose on the most juice wins. Yeah, it's all random. Dark Side, are you part of the Discord by chance? You don't have to be. It's just easier for me to message you if you are. If anyone wants to join the Discord, it's completely free. We have a lot of fun. Your hoof came off. Yeah, I know. This is a link to the Discord if you guys want to join the Discord. Also, if you guys want to check out my website, propcodeshubs.com. Will there be another giveaway tomorrow? I don't know. You're in the Discord? Sweet. I don't have any more accounts to give away, Mini Traveler. We gave away 2 accounts last Friday. And currently don't have any more accounts, but I am trying to work on some accounts to give away, so. Yeah, trying. No, you don't need the activation fee anymore with the giveaway accounts, which is sweet. All right, Tokyo Open, guys. Good luck. Will the My Funny Future account giveaway coming here? They don't give those out very often. I wish they did. But yeah. Yeah, the giveaways are, yeah, they don't have to pay the activation fee, which is sweet with Takeprofit Trader. Oh, Darkside, what is your name on the Discord? Sorry, I got distracted there. What's the spamming of the 1? It makes your moose go faster. No, it's nice when the chat gets spammed during the moose races. That actually helps the YouTube, actually, believe it or not. So that is kind of like a fun thing to do. All right, cool. I got you. PK Ophi 98. Let's go. I just sent you a DM. Dark Side. I'm in 2 trades on 2 phones. Gonna see how this is gonna work. Let's go, Corey. Corey, the phone trader, in the house. If you guys haven't checked out Corey, the phone trader, really cool guy. He's got a YouTube channel too. Trades from his phone. Works full time, trades full time. Trades mainly from his phone while he's grinding. Sleeps never, nope, never sleeps. Let's get this email sent out here. I'm watching gold here. All right, I want to hear who's up Who's up big in the trade day? Sorry, I was trading that trade day account tournament so long last month. The Tradeovate account, Tradeify account. Who's up the Tradeify account? Who's up big? I want to hear it. Come on. I'm up $457 so far. Down 2 resets. Still got 1 reset to go. Where you guys at? Okay, I sent that email off to Takeprofit Trader for your dark side. Should be, hopefully we'll hear from them in a few days or whatever. Day or 2. Up $1, let's go. You went all in gold, blew it. I did too. 1720, no resets, use that. Let's go, Niviz. That's a nice start. Left his trade on, went to dinner. Was he long NASDAQ or something, I'm guessing? Guess he was long NASDAQ. Blew it on gold, yeah. Didn't use a reset. Let's go. Always grinding. I love it. Keep grinding. Love that. Anyone else get gold at 84? I did not. Off that nice outside bar. What a beautiful trade off that. I missed it. All right, guys. I appreciate you. So that's gonna do it for me tonight. Thank you, Wes, for the memberships. Thank you guys for being here. Thank you guys for smashing the like button and using my code. You guys can check out my codes on propcodeshub.com. Currently Apex 70% off with an activation fee of $40, and I guess it's only for a few days from what I hear. So use code PINE for the Apex if you're trading with them. My funded futures, great deal on those accounts as well. The core accounts with the free flex add-on. I think they're around $58 still. Don't quote me on that, but someone said that it's still working with code PINE. So also Takeprofit Trader, Trade Day, Tradeify, use code PINE, and who else? Lucid, you use code PINE. And but yeah, just check out my website there, pinned to the top of the chat, and it has all the, if you like to help support this channel and all that good stuff. Yeah, go check out Wes. And good luck on, if you guys are trading the Tradeify tournament, good luck. And if you're trading your other accounts, good luck tonight, tomorrow, all that good stuff. I'm gonna go take and get something to eat, relax a bit, and we'll be right back here tomorrow night at 5:45 Eastern time, same place. We'll do it again. Hopefully I still have the a Tradeify account to trade. So all right, guys, see you later. Peace. Stay tuned for the outro.
Yeah, yo, check this. Yeah, wow. The market's my canvas, pine tree trader, that's the name, no need for the panic. Got my screens lit, watching the price move. Every tick, every chart, I'm in my groove. See an inside bar, that's a sign of a pause. The market's holding its breath, it's a break from the laws. Squeeze it up tight, coiling for a big move. I'm patient, I'm watching, got nothing to prove. Wait for the break, above or below. That's when I hit the gas, watch the profit grow. Apex funding on the line, my account's legit. Passing these challenges, ain't no time to quit. Inside out, outside in, that's the way we play. Taking that funding, stacking up profit every day. From pine tree trader to Takeprofit, we're on a roll. Stratify's the platform, we're in full control. Now let's talk about the outside bar, it's a different scene. It's a power move, a sign of something keen. Engulfing the last one, showing dominance and might. The bears or the bulls, they're winning the fight. It's a reversal signal or a continuation of the trend. Gotta read the context all the way to the end. I'm with Takeprofit trader, they've got my back, giving me the capital, keeping me on track. No more small accounts, no more holding back. I'm a funded trader, there's no turning back. My trades are clean, my risk is tight. I'm living this life, shining so bright. Inside out, outside in, that's the way we play. Taking that funding, stacking up profit every day. From pine tree trader to Takeprofit, we're on a roll. Stratify's the platform, we're in full control. Stratify's the engine, the charts are crisp and clean. Executing orders, a trading machine. Got my stops in place, my target set high. Pine tree trader strategy, under the market sky. This ain't a gamble, it's a calculated art. Every setup I see, I'm playing my part. Yeah, pine tree trader, AP.